All right, let's continue with our little piece here. Now that we've kind of worked our little tree up into kind of a little, just kind of doing a few little things here. What we want to do is we want to come and we want to take and we want to make a little, in the center of the tree, the bottom of it, we want to make a little triangle like that. And then we want to come up and make a bigger triangle that goes around that. And then we want to just do this, kind of swing like that. Okay? We want to come up here, make a triangle, make a bigger triangle around the center of it, and then we're just going to, on each side, come up here, make a triangle in the center, come above that, make a bigger triangle, and just do this. And then the last one here, we want to make a small triangle. We want to make our bigger triangle, which goes up to the center, comes around, and then we have the center. And then we want to do this here, and we want to make a bigger triangle that comes even further up and does sort of like that. Now, we take our V tool and we the little triangle in the front, we do the triangle, the bigger triangle that goes into the side here. We'll bring that even further down. And then we just sort of do our little, and I'm going to go ahead and extend this all the way over to here, and we're just gonna, I'm going to show you, we're just going to use sweeping motions to the light and put our little, now just like here, see, we kind of sweep up. I want it to come all the way to the top, sweep up, sweep up, sweep up, sweep up, sweep up. Okay? Now, I want to do the same thing here. The first triangle I'm going to make, the second triangle I'll make, the first triangle, and then come up with this one to the very top, just like that. Then we come with our little sweeping motions. See? Just like that. Come to the other side, use a little sweeping motion, come to the end, use a little sweeping motion, come to the end, use a little sweeping motion, come to the end, use a little sweeping motion, and some more right there. Now we want to make this one, our little triangle. And then our larger one here. Here. And then our little sweeping motion here. Motion here. And then off to the side, the same thing, in other words. There we go. And we want to bring them up to the top enough And we use our sweeping motion here, 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 and here. See that? See the design that we're getting here? I want to make it just a little bit more noticeable. We can cut it in just a little bit more. And we make our little triangle here, and here, and then our bigger one goes to the middle there, and then we do the same thing with the little sweeping motions here, 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 here. Make sure they go to the top. And the sweeping motions here, 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 here. Okay? Get these to the top a little bit. And up here, we want to do our little triangle here and here, and then do the second triangle going up a whole lot further up into this area, and here, and in here. Okay? And we're gonna just kind of use our little sweeping motions up in here, and like this. Where it goes to the top. And up here, we want to use our little sweeping motions, and we kind of come down here like this. We want to make these go to the top, so there we go. Now look, see? It gives the tree a little bit of a personality as we do it. And I'm going to now go, let me take my, I just want to trim a little bit off in here. That more of a, see, you have the 3D look, you have the back, which is in it, and then you have the little 3D look of the piece itself. So sorry. So I have asthma. It just comes on me. I apologize for that. Okay, now I'm going to come back, and I'm going to do this a little bit in here. It's kind of down. Just use a little bit of the. Okay, now I'll be back. And we'll look at the end of it here.